Call lags are frustrating, right? We've all faced poor networks during important calls. That's why businesses switch to VoIP. But here's the truth. VoIP calls aren't immune to lags either. High latency causes annoying problems like lags, echoes, and the dreaded talkover effect. And it's not just awkward, it's unprofessional and costly. Even a 1-second lag can cost you customer satisfaction by 16%. For businesses like yours, that's a big deal. Need good news? You can reduce latency and enjoy crisp, clear VoIP calls. But first, let's understand latency and why it increases. Think of latency as a fancy word for delay in hearing the voice on a call. These delays are measured in milliseconds. Ideally, it should stay under 150 milliseconds. That's when your conversations are smooth and natural. Over 300 milliseconds, the voices start to show noticeable interruptions. So, what causes it? Several factors contribute to high VoIP call latency. One of them is packetization delay. The VoIP system converts your voice into data packets for transfer. If packetization is slow, there's an obvious delay. Network congestion is another factor that slows your packet's transfer, just like traffic on a busy road. Next is the propagation delay. This happens when packets travel long distances. The farther they have to go, the higher the latency. Then there are jitter buffers. These buffers smooth out variations in packet arrival time. But in doing so, there are slight delays. Lastly comes the processing delays. Routers and servers are necessary to process data packets. When these devices are old or overloaded, latency starts rising. Now that we know what causes high latency, here are the steps to reduce it and keep your VoIP conversations smooth and uninterrupted. Using a stable, high-speed internet connection. Increasing bandwidth to avoid slow packetization. Enabling quality of service, QoS, to prioritize VoIP traffic and reduce network congestion. Pausing heavy downloads and tasks during calls. Upgrading to modern routers, low-latency hardware, and software optimized for VoIP. These fixes eventually minimize lags caused by buffer jitters. For propagation and processing delays, choose a VoIP provider with global coverage and advanced infrastructure. That ensures data travels faster, reducing delays wherever you call. Therefore, KrispCall is here, your reliable and latency-controlled phone system. All you need is a stable internet connection. With robust infrastructure and advanced optimization tools, it ensures all your calls are crisp, clear, and always on time. Try KrispCall today and achieve business success with powerful lag-free calls.